clean the seats, the first step is to clean the seats. To do this, you'll need a leather cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Spray the cleaner onto the cloth and wipe down the seats in a circular motion. Be sure to pay attention to any areas that are particularly dirty or stained. Step 2. Condition the seats. Once the seats are clean, it's important to condition them. This will help to keep the leather soft and supple. To condition the seats, apply a leather conditioner to a microfiber cloth and wipe down the seats in a circular motion. Step 3. Protect the seats. Once the seats are clean and conditioned, you can protect them with a leather sealant. This will help to prevent dirt and stains from adhering to the leather. To apply a sealant, simply spray it onto a microfiber cloth and wipe down the seats in a circular motion. Additional tips: if you have any stubborn stains, you can use a mild soap and water solution to clean them. Be sure to test the solution in an inconspicuous area first to make sure it doesn't damage the leather. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners on your leather seats, as these can damage the material. For best results, detail your leather car seats every 2 to 3 months. Conclusion: by following these simple steps, you can keep your leather car seats looking and feeling their best for years to come. Bonus tips: if you have perforated leather seats, be sure to use a soft brush to clean the perforations. This will help to remove any dirt and debris that may be trapped inside. If you have heated leather seats, be sure to turn them off before you start cleaning or conditioning them. If you live in a hot climate, you may want to consider applying a UV protectant to your leather seats. This will help to prevent the leather from fading and cracking. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about detailing leather car seats, please leave them in the comments below.